Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with an administrator account and closing open programs. This prevents file conflicts. Once done, open Control Panel, go to Recovery, and select Open System Restore so you can see available points. Make sure to confirm at least one restore point is listed. If none exist, create one now. I recommend copying critical files to an external drive. This is a quick contingency that preserves documents if something unexpected happens during restoration. Now you'll pick the restore point that best predates the issue, choose by date and description, and you show more restore points if you need older snapshots. Next, click Scan for affected programs so you know which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This step explains the why behind potential side effects. After reviewing, confirm the target drive and selected point. Make sure it matches your intent before you proceed to the final confirmation screen. When you're ready, confirm and start the restore. Your PC will reboot and apply the selected snapshot. This is normal. Do not power off during this process. Wait patiently as it can take between 15 and 60 minutes depending on disk speed. Once complete, Windows will report success or failure. If the restore fails or causes issues, boot into safe mode and try Undo System Restore or select a different restore point. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.